Hi there, and welcome to part 5 of our look at the new Requisitions module in Freezerworks 2017. We've gone through the entire requisition process in the previous 4 videos, but today we are going to leave the standard client and instead work on our browser-based web client. To open the web client, first a web server will need to be configured, and then the REST API must be activated. If you need help with this, see our user's manual or contact Freezerworks support staff. Once you are ready to go, open your browser and enter either your machine name or IP address followed by /web/. You'll log into the web client using the same credentials you have in Freezerworks. Once you arrive at the home page, take note that your screen may look a little different than mine, depending on the licenses your user has been given. Well, first, we are going to create a requisition. Hover over the Requisitions box, and a submenu will appear. Select Create Requisition. You will then decide whether to use an existing saved search to which you have access, or create a new search to request the aliquots. We'll start with an existing saved search. This next page is simply a list of advanced searches that you have access to. Select the one you wish to use. On the Search Builder screen, modify the search if you like, and then you have one more choice. Either you can execute the search and select the exact aliquots you wish to request, or you can simply create the requisition and allow approval authorities to select the exact aliquots you'll be given based on this search. Since this second option is reserved for web client users only, we'll go with that one. On the Requisitions Details screen, you'll need to provide the number of aliquots desired and the date you need the aliquots by. You can also optionally provide a purpose for the requisition, which will help approval authorities determine whether to approve or reject the request. The shipping details on the right are filled in automatically based on the information contained in your user record. Just remember that none of this information is editable from the web client. Finally, if you need to modify the search before submitting the requisition for whatever reason, just click Edit Search. But when everything is entered to satisfaction, click Submit Requisition. You'll receive a confirmation, then you will be taken to the View Previous Requisitions screen. All requisitions that have ever been requested in your database are listed here with their status, so you can keep an eye on where they are in the process. Opening a request brings up this screen, where you can edit the requisition. Depending on if the requisition has been created with specific aliquots or a search, you can either add more aliquots to the requisition or edit the search. Just click Edit Requisition, and the fields all become editable. In this example, we can add aliquots to the requisition, so let's do that. This brings up a list of searches to run. Select the desired one. You can edit the search or simply run it by clicking Execute Search. Now you will highlight the desired aliquots in the list view, then hover over the left bar and click Add to Requisition. You will be returned to the Requisition Details screen. The aliquots requested counter will update with the aliquots added, but the aliquots in requisition will not update until you click Submit Requisition. Note that Delete Requisition is provided for you if you need to cancel the requisition. Anyway, let's click Submit Requisition. You'll receive another confirmation, and then you'll be returned to the View Previous Requisitions screen. Now, a quick note that you can always run a search from the web client's home screen and then eventually create a requisition from the list view. Observe. Now I'm going to go back to the home page. So you can see that if I have not completed my requisition, it'll always be sitting here as pending completion until I start a new requisition or log out. Just click View Current Requisition to go back to the requisition you haven't saved yet. Well, that does it for today. Join us in our other videos for more Freezerworks training. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.